Let's go outside now with you.
All right, I'm like shivering. You're saying it's warm out here. Is it warm? Maybe later today.
Now that you're out here, it's a lot hotter. Just saying.
Ooh la la! Now I'm really liking her. She's getting ready to head to the National Hardware Show. Home improvement and lifestyle expert Kathryn Emery has got her hands on a few finds before she does. Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, as you can see, so the National Hardware Show has been going on for 78 years.
Okay.
It's where you go to find home and hardware. It's my favorite show. I run around there. But as you can see, I brought a lot of things that are beyond the hardware that you can use at home. And the trends this year are really about peace, purpose, and connectivity at home.
Okay.
So we all need a lot of that.
Our life easier.
Yes.
Are you that person that's just going to make us go, aha, I need one of those?
100%.
Okay.
You want to start with one of the themes I love?
Yes.
Which is happy place. Just be
place.
happier at home, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So this is the love handle. It's the only time you are happy that you have a love handle. So what it is, it goes right there on the back of your phone.
Okay.
It makes it so you can hold it, but I was showing you, it also is a kickstand. So think about at home, you're doing, isn't that amazing? You're doing a recipe in the kitchen. You want to do that little yoga workout.
What about when I dance in the kitchen?
Let's do it. Let's do it. I mean, look, let's follow the moves.
Yeah. Okay, this is good. This is good.
So the only time you want a love handle, we're installing one on your phone before I leave, by the way.
And then look, it's a magnet.
Isn't it a magnet too? So think about refrigerator, you're driving, you're grilling outside, you're following a recipe, you want to listen to your tunes. Yeah. So you all get one. Everybody gets a love handle.
Wait, before we do that, was we supposed to be talking about a hammer too?
No, there's more than just a hammer. I mean, we all know the hardware show is going to have some amazing hammers, right?
I don't do hammers. I don't do anything. I have to hire people. My husband doesn't want to hear it anymore.
You're what we call a do-it-for-me person, so it's awesome. So,
yes, I am.
All right,
do it for me.
So you're going to like this one, though. So this is Auto Studio. Here, I'm going to hand it to you.
What do I do?
Think Renter's Market. Take it off and put it on the wall. It's a peel and stick wallpaper. Look at the fun design.
Girl,
so
I would get this
partner,
wall.
They partner with well-known artists and influencers. Just put it on there, right?
Anywhere?
Yeah, anywhere. It's high quality, wherever you want. Just pretend it's your wall. High quality. You can feel it, right? Thick, won't bend. And then, by the way, when you're a renter and it's time to go, you just peel it right off and you get your deposit back. So that's Auto Studio.
Where do you get that?
Cool?
Auto Studio?
Auto Studio. And go to my website. All kinds of designs.
Okay.
Amazing designs.
Okay.
All right, so now let's talk about another trend, which is outside. You want to be outside. World of wonder. So let's spend a little more outside. Did you know there's a ton of barbecue? This is the barbecue caddy. You know, you can put things, paper towel, hang your things. I know, right? And then let's talk about this. This is cliff set cutlery. So feel this. Feel this first of all. Okay, number one.
I love
Did you know 400,000 plastic utensils get thrown away?
I know that.
Do you feel this? It actually feels so it feels like real cutlery.
Yes.
Guess what? You want to put it in the dishwasher? Are you ready for me, cameraman?
Sure.
Boom. We're just putting it in the dishwasher now.
That's it?
Alcohol, lemon oil, and water, and then you're good to go.
I need this in my life for my kids.
So you're staying outside a little more. All right, now you're going to like this one. Mind your mind. Do stuff for you. Guess what? Did you know you can update the look and feel of your house by just changing a light bulb? So this is Sylvania. It's their True Wave series. I don't know if you know, but a lot of LED bulbs give out a blue light.
Yes, and I don't like it.
And that affects your sleep, it affects your reading. So this minimizes that blue light. Isn't that amazing? So we need to give,
What is it called?
Sylvania True Wave series. So less blue light. So and by the way, when you're putting on your makeup or doing tasks, you can see a lot better too.
Okay.
So everybody wants to feel good just by changing a light.
Okay.
All right, now water conservation. All right.
Yes.
How many times do you see broken sprinklers, or you wonder like the wind's really high right now, the water's being evaporating? Water directly at the roots with the root quencher. So you dig a hole. This is their this is the junior. You dig a hole, you T-line it into your existing sprinkler line. Right? Oh my, aren't they amazing?
Yes.
And then guess what? Water's going directly to the root. You can open it up, adjust the valve for the water. Guess what? You can also fertilize. It's not, there you go, it's going like that. You can also fertilize directly at the root. And you're saving water, you're saving money on your water bill. And guess what? You're plants are happier.
Yes, they're
because
happier.
they're chugging their drink down at the roots, right?
Love that. That's
so that's
brilliant.
root quencher, and that's just about saving things, about the environment.
Okay.
Let's talk about showing you care, which is another theme, and just taking care of your house, taking care of your people.
Okay.
Remember all those rains that happened recently? Did you have any flooding in your backyard?
Yes,
You know
I
what
did.
you could have done?
What
You
could
could
I
have
have
went
done?
and got a quick dam, just like this.
Okay.
See, it's just like super thin on the, put it out there, and then, behave, quick dam. Hot dam, I got quick dam. Here we go. So see here, it's a polymer gel that's water activated. So the minute water hits it, it swells up like the one in front and will block water. So we had a bunch of erosion around our pool. I slammed up a bunch of those and no dirt went into our pool. So isn't that amazing? And isn't it so smart? So it's water activated. Like I said, it's like baby diaper. It's like polymer gel inside. So the minute the water hits it is when it starts to activate. So just as you can see, the hardware show is an amazing place to find really cool stuff that you need around the house,
I
right?
know, and not think like things that you really like. I wish we had it,
Right?
and then they weren't there, and then you're here. Oh, you're amazing.
You're the best. Thanks,
Okay,
girl.
so if you want to get information on any of these products, foxeyesandiego.com, click the Scene on tab. It'll get you hooked up with her. I need a love handle, not this one, on my phone, please, while we take a break. I need a love handle. Love handle. We'll be right back.